Hi guys, today I'm going to teach you how to make a beginner outfit with and without VIP. I hope you like it because it's my first English video and I'm so sorry for my accent. I hope you enjoyed this video, and of course don't forget to like and subscribe. Today we're gonna make pink outfit. At first, go to the tanning bath and do this hex code. Okay, it should look like this on your avatar. Then go to the makeup booth and I'm gonna teach you how to make that makeup. Those eyes. Now we gotta move to the eyebrows. Now lips. Shadowing. No details, but that's actually optional. Now it's time for the hair combo. Let's go. Okay, so click those hairs. Scale it for 37. Okay, so if you got that step, then use this bank. We're gonna change the color of everything later. Okay, girl or boy, I don't mind. We're gonna use those ponytails, and I'm sorry for my quality, but at that moment I just noticed that something is wrong with it and I need to log out. I'm gonna fix it, but now we're gonna change color of all my hair and all stuff. So yeah, here's the color that I was using because I absolutely forget to show you. Here's the final look of the hair, and I think it turns out so cute. Let's go to the codes buff. But okay, so at first, if you don't have any codes or any event item, skip this part and go to the non-VIP part. Guys, hear me out, but I love African jewelry. Like, it's so pretty in Dress to Impress and even better in real life. Oh yep, we're all African jewelry. Then we're the super ribbon set corset. I don't know why it's like ribbon set corset, but it's actually so pretty. Then this butterfly top, and make it trailing ribbon. I don't know. Last, I guess, this idol headband. It's from the new update of Cat's Eye, and I think y'all have it, so just use it, or I don't know. Scale it to 44 and it's gonna look so pretty. Okay, no last, but it's actually so pretty. This Cat's Eye yonchae skirt, and it's gonna look like this. Okay, go to my awesome jellyfish skirt. I love it so much. Then to this super corset, I don't know, maybe top. This on, and
oh my god, what the hell is that? I don't want it. Why my cloud quality is so bad?
welcome baddies. I need to log out, and now the floor is even better. Anyways, let's put this super cute heels on and toggle it with socks because I think it looks more cuter. Yeah, put the sleeves on and then toggle it to short sleeves so you can only have this short part. Now we're gonna color it, but guys, I'm gonna speed it up to you because every hex code and every item will be in the description or in the link comment, so just please read that description. Okay, divas, that's the final look of the VIP and with codes outfit. I think it turns out so cute, and I'm so sorry for my English. It's not that good, and it's not even good, but I'm so sorry. And yeah, I think that looks so great. And this shoes, this heels, this, I don't know, everything. Maybe I should change pattern. Hi. Okay, so let's go to the makeup because it's the non-VIP and without codes. Use the normal makeup, or if you had the custom makeup, make the last makeup that I make. Okay, put this corset on, and it's so pretty. Put this sleeve and make it short like this butterfly top, and I'm obviously in love with it. So yup, next gonna do this heel. Do it with socks because that I say it looks more cuter than this necklace. And I think this belt looks actually so pretty. It's super pretty skirt. It's that pretty and so cute. It will match. Then my super thing, I don't know how it's called in English, I absolutely forgot. Then this headband, and we gonna, yup, that dress looks so pretty, but make it toggle only sheer overlay. And let's make this super cute flower necklace because yup, it is. Now we gonna color it. And yup, every hex color will be in description on in the pinned comment, so you're not gonna see this, or I will speed up to you, so just this video not gonna be that long. So thank you. Diva, that's the final look, and I think it turns out so cute like the last one. But oh my god, I hope you like this tutorial for beginners, but I don't know. But yep, like look at this, bro, look at this, it's so cute. So yep, I'm gonna just end that video. I hope you like it, and don't forget to like and subscribe because we're gonna make so much subscribers. And thank you for supporting me, and bye. Nobody do yo. Nobody do. Nobody do yo.